President Bongbong Marcos says he doesn't want Vice President Sara Duterte impeached.
I didn't want impeachment. Lahat ng kakampi ko sa Kongreso hindi nag-file ng impeachment complaint.
Ba't naman nagugulat ang tao na pipirma ako dyan?
He says it calmly, even proudly, like it's a sign of leadership. But in reality, it only proves the opposite. While he plays nice in front of the cameras, his own allies in Congress are doing the dirty work, eager to remove Sara, coordinated, organized, relentless. And what does the president do? Nothing. He acts like he's above it all, oblivious to the fact that his words hold no weight, that his people don't respect his position, that his leadership is being ignored, or worse, being used as a smokescreen. He seems proud that he's not involved, but that's not neutrality, it's weakness. Leadership means standing by your words and making sure your people follow. It means protecting unity, not pretending it exists while others destroy it behind your back. Marcos Jr. may think he's being strategic, but to the Filipino people, it's clear. If you can't even lead your own allies, how can you lead a nation?